fun. Look at that. How do you miss? Look at that. These are so interesting. Is that whiskey?
Don't break the glass. Vincent,
Not harder to clean up.
don't break it.
Keep it, just keep it. It's a clear bottle. It's a clear bottle.
So let's see where we're gonna plant our apple tree. So we just went to Edible Landscaping. There's our gravel road. I'll show you that in a second. But let's plant. Let's see. All right, guys, let's decide. And there's our gravel road. Nice and drivable. Okay, so I just planted this apple tree. I'm trying to get the kids to help me, but they're not too interested. So this is it. And here's the description.
I don't think it's amazing.
And
I don't think I
here's
like
the
it.
rootstock.
I love it.
Just in case all this stuff is missing next time we're here. Okay, now let's get a picture of all of us. Okay. That's a nice scene. So one day, right where that dog tree is, or dogwood, that's where the house will be. And this is all ours too, all this, and all the way up the hill. Maybe one day we'll put another house up, way up there. Goes all the way down. But for now, that's it. This guy still hasn't gotten his bulldozer out of here. Okay, so I just dug up some rocks and put it around our apple tree. So today is April 28th, 2024. So it's kind of on line with that marker. Kind of, here it is. Yeah, pretty much directly from there. Just in case it gets overgrown, I can't find it. Got a little flag there too. One day we'll be old and we'll be sitting under that. Here they are. They'll appreciate it one day. They really weren't into the planting of it. They were more about insulting me about everything. So, got ditches on the side. So that is.
It's a meme. It's a meme, bro. Just look. No, I gotta look at this. Okay.
That drain. See, the drain goes there,
Oh, okay.
and that goes underneath here. And then it drains out this way. Yeah, just off, just out and away.
Okay. That's good.
And then okay, that's a long road.
Truck bedtime.
Faster, getting really excited. right, come in. I want the reaction.
Oh, cloud of dust back there.
Is it fun?
Oh yeah, but it's a cloud of dust. I think Arthur's dead. Arthur.
How was it?
Fun. I wish I could stay in here the entire time. Can I?
No. You a little bit dusty?
Oh yeah, much of dusty.